Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today we're going to run you through this lovely Audi Q3 Black Edition we've got for sale. It's recently just been part exchanged. It's 2017, it's only done 32,000 miles. They finished in the white, obviously the Black Edition of lovely black accents with the grille, the wheels and the mirror caps as well, which we'll run through shortly. So LED daytime running lights and LED headlights. As you can see, the lovely gloss black wheels on the side. Black mirror caps as well, again contrasting the lovely white paintwork. You also get privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, helping to keep out sunlight and also giving it a sportier feel. Now just moving on to the rear of the vehicle, it's got a lovely Alcantara just on the door trims. You can see you've got half leather, half Alcantara, and the contrasting white stitching gives it a really lovely feel. It's really high quality leather as well. Just move around the back, you've got the gloss black spoiler, and also the sportier styling. You can see the chrome exhaust tips there. Just moving up to the boot, this car does cover a rear camera, which I'll show you shortly. The electric boot as well, giving it that premium feel and also ease of access. You've just got a massive boot, you can fit plenty of suitcases in here. And also split folding seats as well, 60/40, so if you've got any larger items, it's easy to keep them stored. And again, just a simple click of the button and it closes by itself. As you'll notice, this car has been very highly kept. Very well looked after car. You can get your ISOFIX points just on the back there. You've also got 12 volt and your own air conditioning for the people in the back as well. Just moving on to the front, you've got electric windows all round, controllable by the driver, folding mirrors, another button to open the boot, and that fantastic Bose surround system you get. Plenty of S-Line badges, part electric seats, and the S-Line embossed just on the top of the seat as well. It's a fantastic looking car just on the inside. Moving into the interior, S-Line steering wheel featuring the flat bottom, and also your controls. You control all your information onto the middle screen there, such as your miles per gallon, navigation, and plenty more. Just on the pop-up infotainment screen, your full digital radio, plenty of stations to feature all your favourite music. You also get satellite navigation as well. Also you get traffic updates on here and different media as well, so you can have all your Bluetooth. Easy to see different driving modes, so your comfort and your sport as well for sportier driving. So this car will come with a minimum of 12 months warranty as well. And again, just on the climate control, it's dual zone on this one, so you can have your front and passenger have different temperatures to keep you both comfortable. And there's that rear camera. Just helps back in this car into those tight spaces. And again, with the fantastic quattro system, just badging on the gloss badge there. If you'd like to know any more about this vehicle, or would like to book in a test drive, please give our friendly sales team a call. You can get us on 01270 864 452. We'd be more than happy to go through any finance packages that we've got for you. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.